in this class we will discuss about how we can retrieve the Poissons as well as the Laplacian equations, how these are helpful for my fields. If I find this this Poisson and Laplacian equation, what the parameter I can able to recognize with the help of this, what will I will find, or what can I find with the help of this equation, and importance of this equation we will see now. And for retrieving the Poissons and Laplacian equation, so we need to retrieve our backward concepts. One is the Gauss law, second one is the relation between E and V. So right, for retrieving the Poissons or Laplacian equation, we have to back up our concepts. One is Gauss law, second one is Poisson's equation. So right, and sorry, Gauss law, second one is the relation between E electric field intensity to the electric potential. So you see here, so this is my second Maxwell's equation. So delta cross E is equals to delta cross E bar equal to minus dou B bar by dou T equal to 0. And this is the equation which I have found from the concept of relation between E and V. So right, relation between E and V, where I have got, and for the we have one more relation for E and V is that E equal to minus delta V, right? So first of all, I have considered the equation delta cross E bar is equals to minus dou B bar by dou T. This is the Maxwell's time varying equation that we have not yet studied, but keep in this mind. So delta cross E bar equal to minus dou B bar by dou T is the Maxwell's equation for time varying fields. Till we have seen that delta cross E bar equal to 0 for static fields. And you can remember this, delta cross E bar is equals to minus dou B bar by dou T for a time varying field Maxwell's equation. And from the relation between E and V, we know that E equal to minus delta V. This already we have seen. E equal to minus delta V. And from the Gauss law, we know that del dot D equal to rho. Del dot D equal to rho. So right. So D equal to epsilon into E. D equal to epsilon into E. So I can substitute in the place of del dot D by epsilon into delta V. Epsilon into delta V. See how the equation will turn. So generally delta cross E bar equal to dou B bar minus dou B bar by dou T. This is the Maxwell's equation for time varying field, and E equal to minus delta V. This is the relation between E and V equation, and already we know that delta dot D equal to rho. This is from Gauss law. I can substitute these two values into here. Del dot epsilon delta V equal to minus rho. Epsilon delta V equal to minus rho, and from this you can take it out. Epsilon is out to the equation. Then del dot del V equal to minus rho. So I can replace del dot del V is equals to minus rho by epsilon, and del dot del V I can rewrite as it is delta square V. Delta square V is equals to minus rho by epsilon. This is the Poisson's equation. See here once again, for retrieving the Poisson's equation, I have considered del cross E equal to minus rho by dou T. So this one is the time varying fields Maxwell's equation. And already I know that the relation between E and potential E equal to minus delta V. And we know that one more statement from the Gauss law, del dot D equal to rho. And we know the relation between D to E. where D equal to epsilon into E. So from this, I can substitute E by minus epsilon into delta V. So from this, you take it out, epsilon is a constant out of the equation, then del dot del V becomes minus rho. Then del dot del V equal to minus rho by epsilon, it becomes as delta square V. Delta square V is equals to minus rho by epsilon. So this will be the Poisson's equation. Delta square V is equals to minus rho by epsilon is the Poisson's equation. And so you considered any vector is here, del dot V plus del dot epsilon equal to for two varying fields, delta square V equal to minus rho by epsilon. You can expand the value delta square V. As see here, delta square V equal to rho by epsilon. Delta square V means dou square V by dou square, dou square V by dou by square, dou square V by dou z square equal to minus rho by x. So from this you require dou square V by dou x square along with Vx is minus rho by epsilon. Similarly, dou square V by dou y square equal to minus rho by epsilon. Dou square V by dou z square equal to minus rho by epsilon along the z direction. And whenever you are recognizing the value of delta square V is equals to 0, see here, delta square V is equals to minus rho by epsilon, then the equation becomes as the Poisson's equation. Whenever you recognize that delta square V is equals to 0, then that kind of equation can be considered as Laplacian equation. See, delta square V is equals to 0 is the Laplacian equation. Delta square V equal to minus rho by epsilon is the Poisson's equation. So with the help of the Poisson's equation, I can able to get the potential. With the help of the potential, I can get the electric field intensity. So this is also one more path to recognize electric field intensity with respect to the Poisson's equation as well as the Laplacian equation. To clear this, so if it is clear, we'll go for the notes.